you all are the future of India. One of the last sentences is, and I want you all to believe that you all are the future of India. That's why I'm talking politely to you all. Because one day, 10 years later, you all may hire some of us for whatever reasons. Okay, the world is moving younger slowly, and you all are truly the future. So keep that in mind in whatever you all do.
आज आमी बाणावले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हे तेगे उगडासा दिसा एक वर्कशॉप घडोवन हाडले फॉर द यूथ ऑफ बेनावलीम. दिस वॉज बेस्ड ऑन प्युअरली इनवाईट. क्लोज टू 100+ भुरग्यांनी आज ह्या वर्कशॉपाक भाग घेतलो. आनी वॉट वी वॉन्टेड टू शो वॉज, एक जरी तरी आवय बापूय भुरग्यांक इस्कला धाडटाय जाल्यार पयलीं म्हणटाय तो स्टेप जाण जावपाक की हो भुरगो आपल्यागेलो फाल्यां शिकोवन व्हडलो जालो म्हणटकीर कितें जातलो, तूं कितकोन हो कॅरियर सिलेक्ट करचो भुरग्यांनी. सो तेजें एक स्वॉट एनालिसीस म्हूण आहा. तें स्वॉट एनालिसीस आमी आज हिंगा आमगे एक फॅकल्टीन जो रिसोर्स पर्सन आहलो तेणें तें कॅरियर गायडन्सान भुरग्यांक आज कळून दिलें. जावं तूं आर्ट्स जावं सायन्स जावं तूं तुगेले स्ट्रेंथ्स कितें आहाय, तुगे विकनेसीस कितें आहाय.
Day of Gandhi Jayanti, where we celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, and this is an initiative what the Aam Aadmi Party and the Aam Aadmi Party youth team has taken up with collaboration of Captain Venzi, and we have done this career training program for the youth of our constituency, so that it is an initiative for the youth to understand how to get a job.
The career guidance topic has been forgotten right now amongst all the youth, and I have not seen a lot of workshops like this taking place. The vision that is, for the future betterment of the youth is what we need to see, where they get the guidance. And I think so, Venzi as the leader of Benauli is taking this amazing step in encouraging youth, and I think so, wishing him all the very best and requesting all the people of Benauli to give this leadership, of Venzi, the support that he needs, because leaders like him can take the youth ahead.
Guidance program, especially for the youth, because the input had come from the youth. Okay, usually in the schools we do not have any career options or career guidance given to us. So at this point of time, all the youth members met at one place. Venzi called us and asked us what should be done for the youth.